always on, because we got to make sure the ships that we put out got to be on point.
I want to say always on call.
It's a non-stop situation. It could be anything.
Always on your P's and Q's, always on awareness.
I'm guessing like always on time, always on the job.
Always on to me means always being dedicated.
Always on means being motivated, always engaged, being ready to work at all times.
Always on purpose. Everything I do at my job, there's a purpose, there's a reason. I'm following our mission every day.
Always on time, always ready and prepared for the job.
It means showing up every day to work and being ready for any challenge that comes my way.
Safety is my always on.
Doing quality work.
Always on means collaboration.
Always on means community impact.
Always ready, always on call.
Always on engagement.
I'm always on, so that is just me. Always on is me.
Always on means I'm always on a mission. I'm looking for the next task, making sure these carriers and subs get out when they need to get out. That's what always on means to me. What does it mean for you?